Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF on the Samsung Galaxy phone without application. Okay, first of all, we can open our gallery application on our phone, and we're going to select some photos that we want to make it as a GIF, and we're going to make a GIF with a photo compilation. And for example, I'm going to select photos from this folder, and we can tap and hold on the first photo to select it like this, and on the other photos we can just click on the circle to choose it. Okay, and after we're done selecting the photos, we can click on the create right here, and since we want to create a GIF, we can tap on the GIF option, and here you can customize your GIF. You can adjust the speed by tapping on this icon. Then for example, I'm going to make it faster, and I'm going to check it first. Okay, we can also select the ratio of the GIF. Just tap on this button if you want to adjust the ratio. And you can also add a sticker to your GIF and tags as well, and it's up to you. And after you're done, you just need to click on the save button. Click on the save button right here. And okay, now the GIF has been saved to my gallery, and I'm going to check it. Wait guys. Okay, and this is the GIF that I have just saved, or that I have just created on my phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a GIF on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.